Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will do a joystick from this part and this part. How we are gonna say it in the last video. So let's start it. Create sketch from sketch this part, and now we are gonna create a line here and here. Okay, and now we are gonna do here, here, and here. Point here, this point and this line, and now sketch dimension 4.5 millimeter, 13 millimeter. Now solid revolve. We are gonna revolve this part axis, this, and this will be a new component. Okay, fillet, four dot 5 millimeter, and tangency weight 1 millimeter. Okay, now offset plane, this plane, and less 18 millimeter. Okay, uh, sorry, delete, hide this component, uh, new here, less 18 millimeter. Okay, and now we are gonna create a sketch from this part, and we'll extrude for this part. Create sketch, this plane, sketch dimension here 4.5 millimeter, solid extrude, and we'll extrude this part with 3 millimeter and join, because this will be joined with this part. Okay, and now we are gonna do here a little square. Let's create a sketch, rectangle, center rectangle, here 3 millimeter, 1.5 millimeter, offset, less 2 millimeter. Okay, and we are gonna extrude this part less 2 millimeter. Sorry, Let's 2 millimeter. Okay. And now we are gonna do a fillet from this part. Sorry. And this will be 0.5 millimeter, the fillet, and we'll fillet this part too. Okay, I have a mistake in this part. And we will left this piece so. Okay. And now this would be all the video for today. And tomorrow we will add the material from this part and this part. And we will finish with the joystick. And we will add the material for tomorrow. Thank you very much and see you later. Bye bye.